truck build Q&A question 15, I think we're up to, is from Paul, and he asked, what size batteries are we putting in? This is the stuff I wish Tom would talk about, but this is our battery box on the side, and I don't know if you can see in there because Tom's insulated everything and protected it, but we have 4 by 200 amp hour lithium batteries in there that are hooked in parallel to be a 48 volt system, which powers a 5,000 watt inverter. But that is essentially the batteries, so 1,760 watts of solar panels on the roof that are linked 2 in parallel, 2 in series. It comes down to 4 by 2,000 amp hour, 4 by 200 amp hour lithium batteries hooked in parallel to give us a 48 volt system, powering a 5,000 watt inverter that makes we run on 240 volt right through the truck. So that's pretty complex, but lucky Tom's a smart guy and he can figure all that out. But yeah, essentially the answer to that question is 4 by 200 amp hours.